In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit user permissions in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a growing team or just getting started, setting the right permissions is crucial for smooth collaboration and data security. Let's explore this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the HubSpot URL. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login option, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the Login page. Here, you have multiple login options, but for simplicity, let's choose Sign In with Google. Click on it, and if prompted, select the Google account associated with your HubSpot account. This option not only speeds up the login process, but also keeps your credentials secure under Google's umbrella. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to head into the settings. You can typically find this by navigating to your account menu, often represented by your profile picture or initials, and selecting the settings option from the drop-down menu. Here, the magic happens as you can manage various aspects of your HubSpot account. Within the settings, look for where it says Users and Teams. This section allows you to manage who has access to your account and what privileges they hold. Click on it, which will bring up a comprehensive list of current users and teams. From this Users and Teams page, you can add a new user by clicking on Create User. This button is usually prominently displayed and is integral when onboarding new team members. Once clicked, you'll need to type in the new user's email address. Ensure it's accurate, as HubSpot will use this email to send an invitation to join your account. After entering the email, click Next. This brings up the seat assignment options. Here you can specify what role the new user will have, which determines their access level to your system. This is a key step, especially if you want to restrict access to sensitive data or administrative features. Satisfied with the permissions, hitting Next will proceed to a confirmation screen. Review all the details you've entered, ensuring everything is set up correctly. Finally, click on Create User to send off the invitation. And there you have it. You've successfully edited user permissions in HubSpot, paving the way for efficient teamwork and operations. Remember, managing permissions is vital not only for organizational control, but also for maintaining security protocols. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to replay any section if you needed another glance. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with your team or anyone who might benefit. Until next time, happy managing on HubSpot.